Hautmond India Group, formed in 2008, is the new development and approach by Sri Sai Entertainment in various sectors including events, publication, talent hunt and beauty spectacle. Hautmond Mrs. India Worldwide describes itself as an organization with integrity, values, consistency and one that goes above and beyond any other pageant that a woman would have been a part of before. Mrs. India Worldwide pageant takes pride in the wives and mothers of India and celebrate their skills. The ideal title holder of Mrs. India Worldwide is a complete person possessing physical, mental, emotional and spiritual qualities. All past seasons of Hautmond Mrs. India Worldwide have witnessed renowned celebrities like Zinat Aman, Aditi Gaur Ritrika and Rahul Roy, to name a few. Our previous winners are 2011 winner Jimol Zubain, first runners-up Dr. Udita Tyagi, second runners-up Neetu Ashtwans. 2012 winner Rebecca Bain, first runners-up Nisha Singh, second runners-up Preeti Singh. 2013 winner Rashika Naikar Ragbir, first runners-up Alka Javla, second runners-up Bhavya Gehlot. 2014 winner Aman Grewal, first runners-up Dr. Shivangi Malechia, second runners-up Rashmi Shah. 2015 winner Drashti Bhanushali, first runners-up Sneha Bhadoria, second runners-up Dr. Hina Kind. 2016 winner Poonam Shendle, first runners-up Dimple Rampal and second runners-up Suhasini Sudan. Now they're all shining stars. Hautmond Mrs. India Worldwide 2017 was held in India and Vietnam. The glamorous journey of 2017 begins with audition rounds across many cities. Each woman, whatever age, needs to recognize something good in her body. Someone has beautiful legs, someone has beautiful hair, and someone else has beautiful décolletage, or a beautiful waist, or beautiful hands. Everyone has something great. We had the proud participants from different age groups.
I'm an executive MBA graduate. I have grown up watching lifestyle shows which definitely flared my interest of exploring different places and cuisines. That led me to join aviation and have the experience of my life by visiting over 120 places in the world so far.
I'm a fitness and nutrition consultant and a passionate marathoner. I want to be the best version of myself. We are the backbone of any society or country. If backbone of country is strong, any society and country can stand tall with confidence.
My motto in life is be fearless in the pursuit of what sets your soul on fire. As a strong believer in humanity, which is above all religions, I want to send across this message to people to practice and preach harmony, peace and compassion.
There is no force more powerful than a woman determined to rise. I am here to leave a trail of glimpse to never be forgotten and to be an inspiration for someone to look at me and say, hey, because of you, I didn't give up.
People dream at night. I dare to dream on a sunny day. For every single no brings me closer to a yes. I want to win, not just to become famous, but to awaken the world.
Somehow we are told by everyone, this is the right age to get married, this is the right age to have kids, or this is the right age to be retired. But I want to break free from all the stereotypes.
Age is just a number, if you don't mind, it doesn't matter. And I believe that we get only one life, we must live it on our own terms and the way we want to.
I believe that we should look for goodness in people. Being kind for me is being beautiful. I'm also looking forward to spreading positivity and spirituality.
Since childhood, my identity was a daughter of, a sister of, a wife of, and a mother of. And I hope they would be proud that they would be identified by my name.
There is no force more powerful than a woman who is determined to rise. Chase your dreams and success will be yours. But educate yourself.
My motivation to participate and trying to win this pageant is to inspire. Inspire all those women who have a lot of potential in them but are not able to gather enough courage to step out and explore this beautiful world. And the reason behind that is because I was one of them until quite recently.
I really feel it's a woman who tells a man what love, sharing and caring is all about. And that is how one paints the life's canvas. This is actually the true essence of being a woman.
I have never believed in a stereotype that a woman has to be confined to household. She is the very reason for the creation of the world. I firmly believe that life never ends after marriage. Rather, it gives us a new horizon to rediscover ourselves.
I love learning new things. That's why I'm gonna learn each day. I believe if you have a beauty with the brain, you can achieve anything in the life.
मैं सारी लेडीज़ सारी फ्रेंड्स ਨੂੰ रिक्वेस्ट करूँगी कि ਤੁਸੀਂ भी कुछ अपनी पहचान बनाओ। आई वॉज जिमनास्टिक प्लेयर, मैं वहाँ पे भी हमेशा नंबर 1 पे आई हूँ।
One cannot consent to creep when one feels an impulse to soar. My true passion lies as a scuba diver and as a swimmer. 80% of pollution in the marine ecosystem is caused by us, humans. Having said that, it is my belief that we can use this platform to really build awareness and conserve our ecosystem.
Like every other girl, even my dream was to become a cabin crew. Being a cabin crew, assimilating the culture of more than 27 countries in the last 5 years, I have realized that India is not less than any other country in the world. Especially the values which we believe in are incredible.
ऐसे ही रहा करो कि करे लोग आरज़ू, ऐसे ही चलन चलो कि ज़माना मिसाल दे. I lead a very healthy and optimistic lifestyle as it keeps me mentally and physically fit.
I live in reality based on originality. Forget looks, I respect personality. For me, this entire journey is very important as I envision a bigger and brighter tomorrow by giving wings to my dreams to touch and serve lives through my skills.
I believe that God has created each individual differently, and therefore we all have some peculiarities which make each one of us special.
I hail from the city of dreams, that is Mumbai, and belong to a simple middle class family where a lady very often dreams about others and doesn't have time for her own self. But I decided to change this very old tradition and think and fly for my own dreams.
I am a businesswoman and it was my dream to participate in Mrs. India Hotmon 2017 season 7. I am participating in this pageant to win.
Oprah Winfrey once said, "The greatest adventure one can go on is to live the life of one's dream." I believe that nothing worth having comes easy. And what better to begin the life of your dreams with the best in the industry.
I'm a qualified lawyer with masters in economics. I'm currently working as a consultant in a business advisory firm. I'm a learner and an evolver. So this is the reason why I'm here at Omont Mrs. India Worldwide.
A big dream doesn't become reality through magic. It takes sweat, determination and hard work. I believe the way in which we think of ourselves has everything to do how our world sees us. If you believe in yourself and have support of your family and friends, you can identify yourself and reach where you want to be.
I feel that the 3 imperative qualities for a Mrs. India Worldwide are wisdom, compassion and strength. Because for any human, political or social revolution, these 3 qualities are very imperative in a woman.
The cultural diversity is not only part of my journey but also of my identity, which is truly Indian. A woman in man's world, I am an automobile engineer by profession and I have made my mark and position in automobile industry in last 11 years. I am here to share my story, to inspire other women and to make them believe in their own abilities so that they can also achieve their dreams.
I believe in dreaming big and aspiring to greater goals in life. I endeavor to add value to my life every single day.
Put your heart in everything you do. Follow your dreams and make them come true. I wish to fulfill my dreams
and also enrich and empower the women of India and make them self-sufficient through my experience in health and fitness industry, so they are ready to take on the world.
I strongly believe that happiness lies in knowing in how amazing our life is. And I keep and make my life amazing by following my passion, which is painting. I believe in living a healthy lifestyle, and that's the reason I hit the gym every day for an hour and put on my dancing shoes over the weekend.
I love to scribble, learn new languages and meet people from different cultures. And being a consultant, my job gives me an opportunity to interact with people across the globe. I strongly believe that every woman should not only have dreams but should chase hard, strive hard to achieve the same.
I'm a YouTuber by passion and an anchor and an MC by profession. I've completed my Masters in Clinical Psychology and I was an ex-RJ with Radio Mirchi. I believe life is not the number of moments you breathe, but the number of moments that take your breath away.
Fight for your dreams and your dreams will fight for you. Being a woman from a society where every girl is always pushed to choose a life what they wanted and hard to pursue her dream.
I'm here to share and spread positivity among you all. As a woman, I feel we think about entire world but not for ourselves. It's time, let's think about ourselves. We are fearless, confident and dedicated women. So we should feel the change and spread the change.
A bird that flies the sky with its cloak and still comes to the ground. Yes, I compare myself to a bird. I'm an artist by profession. I love to paint and I love people seeing smile and confident.
An actress, model and a homemaker. I have completed my post-graduation in commerce and diploma in interior designing. I am boosting my career through video making. I believe a woman is a beautiful creation of God.
Look into the mirror. That is the biggest competition you have in your life. What I believe, and I follow the same philosophy in my life. I believe self-respect, love and care are the three most beautiful qualities a woman can possess and represent.
As a child, I have been engaged in various activities like painting, theatre, acting, singing, dancing, debates and anchoring. I'm a very adventurous person, traveling places, climbing mountains, river rafting, parasailing, rifle shooting, horse riding are the areas where I already have experience in.
I believe that challenges gives life much of its flavor, meaning and fulfillment. Education of the girl child is a cause very close to my heart, and in my own way I am working towards it.
Some people grumble that roses have thorns, but I am grateful that thorns have roses. I think life is an ongoing learning process. I'm a very grounded person whose life later with the positive outlook.
I'm a proud wife to a digital entrepreneur, mother to a 5-year-old boy, daughter to a Mysore-based businessman and daughter-in-law to a scientist. I'm an HR professional here to achieve my dreams.
Dream big, dream high, because sky is the limit. And to make this dream come true, I need your lots of love so that I become a public figure, and for me it becomes easy to connect with you all.
Believe in God, believe in yourself and believe in your dreams and just keep moving ahead. I am a very spiritual person. I practice Nichiren Daishonin's Buddhism. The motive of my life is to bring happiness for oneself and others and to spread peace and prosperity for the world.
A dream becomes a goal when you try to achieve it. My passion and determination towards my dream has brought me here. My passion lies in being helpful to people, being strong, courageous and self-confident woman, which makes me a successful homemaker. Everyone needs to be valued. Everyone has potential to give something back, and everyone has right to choose what they want to be.
Fortune forever favors the brave. With this thought deeply engraved in my conscience, confidence is my best accessory. It helps me to be a patient parent, a strong partner and a brave daughter, exploring places, listening to music, dancing, cooking delicacies for my children is the very core of my existence.
It was William Shakespeare who said, "What's in the name?" But I believe the name has a lot of things to do. And here I am to add some fame into my name.
The biggest adventure of life is to follow your dream. I believe only in one mantra of life is, this is your only life, make your every dream real.
I'm a software engineer by profession, a photographer and a traveler by passion, and an entrepreneur by choice.
I love my food and exercise is an essential part of my life, so I have learned to create a balance between my two passions. As far as hobbies go, I love to paint while I sing and I love my music and dance. And being sporty by nature, I am an avid biker.
I would like to be a mascot for all the Indian women who are married and globally settled. This is my aim in life, to help them out and to achieve in life something. Life doesn't really end after marriage, and this I want to prove it to myself and as well as to the other women.
The event of Houthmonde Mrs. India Worldwide 2017 started on the 27th of July with a press conference at the Playboy Cafe, where they were all introduced to the media. The press conference was graced by Dr. Blossom Kochhar. Dr. Blossom Kochhar is the pioneer of aromatherapy in India and is globally recognized for her work. She has always practiced and propounded that beauty and wellness is from within as much as it is from the outside, and it has to be addressed on the body, mind and emotional levels for it to be effective. She is a master of holistic beauty and wellness in India.
We are planning to have 80 contestants from all across the globe who are basically Indians. We are going towards the goal. We are achieving slowly and gradually. And we hope that in coming next 2-3 years, we will have 80 partners across the globe. Last 3 years, we have decided to take this present internationally. We started with Myanmar. Myanmar, the show was so super hit that it was covered almost in 80 countries of Southeast Asia. And based on that, we are getting response from other countries to have this show in their country. That is why this year we have chosen the destination Vietnam. Vietnam is a lovely city. You must have seen, everybody has seen Vietnam, how lovely city it is. On top of that, we have got the invitation from the Consulate General of India to have this show there in Vietnam.
You are down on parole. I'm saying it in front of the press. You are down on parole. Your judges are traveling with you. Your character, your nature, your fitness, your awareness, your timings are all going to be judged. We are all married girls. We're representing India. We are ambassadors of India when we're out of our states. We need to behave ourselves. We need to have a lot of fun, for sure. So you better work out really hard, be on time, listen to your judges, listen to your organizers. We need your cooperation. It's not easy to take 52 girls. It's a difficult task. We've done it before, but we know how it is. So all I want to say is best of luck to all of you, because I can hardly recognize anybody. You've changed so much. What did you tell them? Don't eat. मेरे को तो कभी कुछ नहीं कहते. Sylvie कह रही, you eat and drink. Even Blossom says, Sylvie, you eat, don't bother. Okay, thank you girls. Lovely seeing you all. Thank you so much.
Today I think I'm really happy to see all these girls, because I met them almost a month back and we had an orientation workshop where actually I advised them about what they could do to come in shape and lose the extra fat and become fitter and slimmer. And today I'm very proud to say that all of them look lovely and gorgeous, and I think they've done a great job, so congratulations to all of you.
Participants were also felicitated by Dr. Kochhar. It was announced that an amount of rupees 25 lakhs would be donated to the blind school as CSR activity by the organizers that was applauded by all. Hereafter, all the participants flew to the serene locations of Vietnam.